Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add Afterpay to your Shopify store. So to do that, first go to your browser and go to your Shopify store. Alright, so now select your store. You also have to make your Afterpay account over here and select your region, and you can download your app or sign up. So after you make this Afterpay account, all you have to do is again go to your Shopify store. So once you're here, you have to go to settings and then click on payments. So here you can add your payment method and then you can search for Afterpay. So it is not available in my region, but if you are in the region that is supported by Afterpay, you'll be able to get the option to add Afterpay in your Shopify store here, and that is how you'll be able to add Afterpay to your store. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.